If you are looking for the best 4-cup coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Brentwood TS213BL 4-cup coffee maker. You might like the Brentwood TS213BL, an affordable model that comes in fun colors, though you can opt for a traditional black, as well. This coffee maker has everything you need: a tempered glass carafe, permanent filter, warming plate, and coffee scoop. It's BPA-free and works with a simple on-off switch. Plus, it's easy to clean. The downsides: this 2.5-pound model isn't very sturdy, and it doesn't offer a handy brew pause feature. We also found that it produced less hot coffee, a major flaw if you like your coffee piping. Number 2. Mr. Coffee 4-cup coffee maker. Mr. Coffee is a brand that's been around for decades, and the reason is that they make products that work. The Mr. Coffee Simple Brew 4-cup coffee maker is another great model that's part of this trend. It comes with pause and serves, so you can pull the carafe out to pour yourself a cup before the brew ends without spilling coffee everywhere. This model also comes with a dual water window, so you can see how much water you've poured without craning your neck. It also comes with an easy-to-clean stain-resistant warming plate. Number 3. Cuisinart DCC450BK 4-cup coffee maker. The Cuisinart DCC450BK 4-cup coffee maker could be another good option if you're looking for a small coffee maker. This model comes with convenient pause and serve functionality. This model also comes with a 30-minute automatic shut-off, so you'll never have to worry about the heating function burning your coffee, though you will probably need to reheat it if you wait for your next cup. This model also comes with a drip-free carafe, though you have to use it thoughtfully to achieve that result. If you're looking for better value, you have some options at this price point. Number 4. Braun KF7150BK Drip Coffee Maker. The Braun KF7150BK Brew Sense Drip Coffee Maker is a compact, versatile, and authentic coffee maker. Made with a combination of stainless steel and plastic, this drip coffee maker has all the features you want. It's stylish in the sense that it makes your morning easier. Starting with the stand-up carafe, which locks in the flavor. It makes sure no air gets inside the carafe to avoid tampering the coffee's taste. The same applies to when you're pouring it into a cup. The lid is expertly anti-drip and ergonomic. You pour yourself a steaming cup at any time during the brewing cycle. Number 5. Capresso 303.01 4-cup espresso machine. This espresso and cappuccino marvel feature a fantastic coffee steam selector. This allows you to control brewing and steaming. In fact, it also adjusts the coffee strength to your personal taste. As a coffee lover, you'll absolutely love the power of the boiler steam function. It drastically reduces warming up time. Imagine having access to 2-4 cups of latte or cappuccino in under 5 minutes. Another form of outstanding news is that you get a swivel frother. So you can make perfect, delicious cappuccinos and lattes. This awesome coffee machine is fast. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.